Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Avinash Davi.
Hey everyone, today we are going to dive into the cool new thing that came out at AWS reInvent 2023. It's called the My Application Dashboard on the AWS console. We'll do a quick demo to show how it works. So let's dive into the demo. Once you log into the AWS console, you will see these screens. You can see that your application, create applications on go to my application. If you don't find that, you can go to here and find out my applications. And from here also you can go that the console features, you can see that here. Okay. So just click on the create applications, or if you already have application, you can go to the my application. We'll just click on the my application here. So now you can choose your regions, which region you want to support regions are there, and find the applications also. So we'll click on the create application here and give that my dashboard. Check. Tag is optional. If you want to give a tag also, you can give a tag on the all the metadata purpose. Attribute also options. So we click on next. Application name should be hyphen on this part. So let's go with that. Quick. Next one. Here you can select the resources which you want to add it uh, on that part. So here you can see that one pop-up that's come out. Resource export setup is required. To search and add result to your application, turn on the setup resource explorer. So how to do it now? Just click on the turn on the resources. It will open up the new tab because you need to access all the resources, right? So all resource exploration should be there. So this is another service called AWS Resource Explorer. You can find the resources by using this services. Click on the resources. Quick setup, advanced setup is available. We'll do the quick setup. We'll select the regions which you want to have that region. I'll select the OEO USS2 service access, and the cost will be provided. No, AWS exposure is provided no additional cost. So yes, it's free of cost. Turn on the AWS resources. So it will create some index in all the here, right? So once it proceed to the resource search here, you can find out the resources and submit details are will be available here. Now go back to here and refresh this one. You can see that the pop will disappear now. Now you can select the resources from the listing here. It will be listed here, submit, and all this part here you can type whatever resources you want, then you can select it here. So I think it's found only submit. Let me go to the another tab called Lambda, where is my all Lambda there. So I can see that whether the resources will be available or not. So it is there, this all resources. So let's check out why it is not showcased here. We'll go to setting. This is one. It's still going on. So resource search is still going on it. That's why it is not showing. Let's do this. Then click on the resources. Let's see, slowly, one by one is getting added. So it takes some time to create an index. We go back to the search again and see that how many are so far there. So you clearly mentioned that you can start searching immediately while we begin indexing and so you can generally do the indexing and try to attach that all the details which is available here. So if you start refreshing this, it will slowly come across. Okay. So started coming out. Sleep bucket is came out. You can see check out here. Let's see, go back to the front. Take the application. Dash. Oh, let me search. And do some here. PPC submitted. And then when it keep coming up, it will start. You can let's go with this one. PPC one. Click on the add. Select one resource to add. That is like at least one resource to add. Click on this. Next, go to the next. So I have created a VPC called create applications. My dashboard is ready with the VPC one. I can see my cost related to the VPC and I can see the compute security gadget. Now, why it is still blank one? Because yet to get the all the resources, right? You can keep adding the resources to that and then go to the manage resources. We'll go to the manage resources again and see if the more resources are added or not. Because the indexing are still going on it. You can check out here. Yeah, it's still going on. Some Lambda function have started coming. Let me check out in add resources whether the Lambda function are coming or not. Yes, it is came some Lambda function. I'll select all Lambda function, click on that. And here we are all Lambda functions are there. So we just go back to our favorite dashboard and see that our Lambdas are under the compute. It's showing that the details are in Lambda and CloudWatch. Okay, some tags are there for the application. So it is like categorized based on the what kind of services you are going to use it. If it's come under the cost and uses like the billing at our dashboard, it will showcase your this is our bill dashboard. Like so far in my account, don't charge any billing to our AWS credit. That's why it's showing the current month costing the 01. But if you are already running the billing dashboard, it will showcase your actual cost at one place only. Similarly, it will come out like whatever your EC2 auto scaling details are there, elastic load balance are there, or this can be a showcase in the one show. You can see here, I only have a Lambda function in my account. So it's showing the 7 Lambda function. I can directly go to the Lambda function from here or click on the here and open that particular thing. So I can click on the Lambda function. So it's like a one place where I can summarize everything and see that, okay, how many resources are running in my each particular category, like compute under the how many EC2 are running, how many EC2 alarms are going on, how many auto scaling groups are there, how many load balancers are going, how many Lambda alarms are there, and you can check out all this in one place and go to the particular respective services there. Similar way, if any other resources which is relevant to security, you are going to use it, right? You can use that one, and you can see that all details will be available here. So that similarly for monitoring operation purpose, you can have that one place all alarms will be listed here and you can create from alarm from here also, like clicking on the create alarm, we go to the click alarm one. Similarly, we'll go back again to the dashboard. Similarly, you can create all these details in a monitor part. If you have any DevOps services on that part, you can create here and it will automatically showcase that status of the particular running services and you can create some one shots also. and all the metadata will be available here. Application tag, all tag will be available if you have any particular applications that have been given so far. Okay, and these are some specific application dashboard setup documentation I mentioned here. This is a very quick demo about how you can create it. Like as I mentioned, right, you have to go to the My Application dashboard, click on the name, give it name to the dashboards, and then click on the next. You need to enable the resource explorer first, because without that explorer enabling, you cannot search for resources. After the enable the resources, it takes time to index all the resources which is available in your account. You can see that I only have few resources, still is taking more time. In case of your account and production account, if you're running many EC2 machines, many ECS clusters, you may take a more time to do that. You can see if tool is slowly getting added one by one, everything is right. So after you finish that particular thing, you can always add the manage under the manage resource set and do that respective part. Okay, and here you can add a specific widget as if you want to add a particular widget. There's no widget available, but you can configure the specific new widget also based on that. And if you want to set to the default layout, you can set to default layout. It will lose your customization if anything you have done. Okay, as I mentioned, different tab you can mention, and based on the category of compute, security, monitoring operations, DevOps tag, and it can have that respective categories and grouping. You can see here that part. So it's like a one place dashboard where you have a quick glance about your costing, your security, your DevOps, okay, your easy to compute part, and you can create the resources from this place also. So no need to jumble upon the multiple tab to create services, to see that resources, see the matrices, all this part, right? We love now very magical tool which is launched in AWS Renewal 2023. And there is a nice documentations available for this one. You can go to the AWS. I'll give all this link in a description of the video. You can go through on that site, like new application in AWS managing your application resources. It's very clearly mentioned like how to do it, how exactly it will look like once you create your specific dashboard. You can see that this is additional dashboards are there, and once you create a dashboard, you can see these the cost. You can segregate the code at one dashboard. You can see that the matrices like graphs in the dashboard. Even if you have a compute engines, like you can see the CPU utilization, network, invocation to the Lambda, fail rate, everything can be, you can see that. So go through this document. It's very helpful documentations, and their individual applications or documentations also available. Okay, hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.